Hello students, in this video we are going to study our next chapter, chapter number 6. The chapter name is Helper to All. Class 5, subject EVS GCERT. So now let me start this chapter. In this chapter you are going to know about the different professions and how they are helpful to us and how they are helping to the society by serving their services. So now let me start the chapter number 6, Helper to All. There is a girl and her name is Anu. She wants to become a police officer and she has a younger brother. One girl is there whose name is Anu and she wants to become a police officer. And she has the younger brother and he wishes to become a soldier. Now what would you like to become? Here various pictures are given. Here some pictures are given. Everyone of you want to become something. So here Anu want to become police officer. Her brother want to become a soldier. Here some different professions are given to you. You have to tick mark or you have to fill in the color in the circle. What would you like to become? In the first picture, you can see that doctor is there and who is examining this boy. In the next picture, you can see that police woman is there. In the next picture, the electrician is there and he is fixing the bulb. Then after, in the next picture, you can see nurse is there. She is doing her work. In the next picture, air hostess is there. She is serving the food to the passengers. In the next picture, postman is there. He is delivering the post to that boy. Then after, here the mechanic is there and he is repairing this car. Next after, the police is there, policeman is there, or soldier you can say, soldier is there. And last one, the painter is there and you can see the brush and colors are there in his hand. So now from all of this, what would you like to become? In that circle you have to color. Here you can see that I had color in first picture, that is doctor, then after in electrician, and in the painter, or you can say artist, and here in the mechanic. You can color by your own self what would you like to become. In that circle you have to color the circle. Now in Anu school, the Children's Day was celebrated. Children's Day was celebrated in Anu school and all the students had discussed about what they wanted to become. And on that day, everyone discussed about what they wanted to become. So now, when this Children's Day was celebrated, so every year we are celebrating this Children's Day on 14th November. In the previous chapter, we had seen in the chapter of festivals, we had seen that we are celebrating this Children's Day on 14th of November. So now, let me see what Anu has said. So here you can see that everyone is sharing what they want to become. So Anu discussed in her school, we should decide what we would like to become. Her friends also spoke. She and her friends, everyone spoke about what they want to become. And some want to become doctor, some want to become farmer, and some police officer. Everyone want to become different, or they want to go for the different profession. Someone want to become doctor, some other want to become farmer, and someone want to become police officer. Around us, many people belong to various professions, and we had also in the previous chapter we had seen that every professions are different from each other. However, these all professions are connected to each other, or they are dependent to each other. So in around us, many people are there who are belong to various or different professions, and many professionals are helpful to us. From these professions, many professions are such kind that they are helpful to us. Our many needs are completed with the help of such kind of professions, or the people who are there in this profession, that means professionals. And the professionals who help us are known as our helpers. The professionals who help us are known as the helpers, like teacher, then after nurse. So now here next one table is given to you. You have to write in this professionals helping us. You have to write here different name of professionals who are helping to us or who are helpful to us. So now let me check the answer. So here some names of the professionals are given to you who are helpful to us. In that first one is teacher. They are teaching us how they are this way helping us. Next is conductor. They are issuing the tickets and by which we can go from one place to another place. Next is nurse. Nurse is helping us while we are admitted to the hospital. They are taking care of us. Next is blacksmith. So blacksmiths make the different objects which are made up of iron. If you notice around you, then you will find that most of the objects around us are made up of iron. So they are made by the blacksmiths. So how? This is the way they are helping us. Next is mason. The house in which we are living, so this house was built by the masons. Next is doctor. So when we are ill or we fall ill, at that time doctor examine the patient or us and they give proper treatment. Next is driver. So driver drives the different kinds of vehicles and they bring us from one place to another place. Next is policeman. So policemen maintain the law and they are catching or arresting the criminals. Next is porter. So porter makes the pots and these pots we are using for different or various kind of purposes, like to store water, then after to cook rice, etc. Next is goldsmith. So goldsmith make different golden jewelries which we are using, or they make different ornaments. Next is postman. Postman delivers post. Next is sweepers. So they clean our surrounding and they keep our surrounding neat and clean. So that's why we remain healthy. Next is carpenter. They make the objects which is made up of wood. Next is tailor. Tailor stitches our clothes. Next is confectioner. So the confectioner, that means a person who is making or selling sweets and chocolates. So these are the different names of the professionals. They are helping us. Now on the next page, page number 48, you can see that one girl is there who fall ill and doctor and nurse is there who is taking care of that. So now let me read. Yesterday was Saturday. Lena had gone to the market. Lena went to the market and Aruna was sick. She was admitted to the hospital, so that's why Lena reached to the hospital. The Aruna was sick and she admitted to the hospital, so to look after that, Lena also reached to hospital. Dr. Ratan was examining her. So here one doctor is there whose name was Ratan and who is examining the Aruna. And Lena likes to serve all very much. Lena likes to become a doctor. And by watching this, Lena also like to become a doctor because she likes to serve all very much. So now today is Sunday. There was a meeting in village and good pictures were shown in the meeting hall. Lena also likes to make such pictures and Lena also likes to become a painter. She likes to serve everyone. She also likes to make such pictures so that she want to become doctor as well as painter. So now some questions are given to you. You have to think about this and you have to then after say. The first one is, which profession is good for Lena? According to you, which profession is good for Lena? You have to write this all question answer by your own. Next is, what do you like her to become? What do you like that what she has to be? Next after is what else should Lena become? Other than that, what Lena can become? And like Lena, what do you want to become? What do you want to become? Next is what do your friends want to become? And then after is how can you help them? How can you help your friends? So now let me check the answer. So here the answers are given to you. You have to write your answer by your own. Let me check. Here I wrote first question in that answer, which profession is good for Lena? So doctor. I had written doctor because Lena must become a doctor as she loves serving all and Lena herself want to become a doctor. So she should be a doctor. Next is what do you like her to become? So according to me, Lena must become a teacher as she loves serving the society. As she want to serve or help the society, she must become a teacher, and if she become a teacher, she will be useful for both the school as well as the society. So here I wrote teacher. Next is what else should Lena become? Other than this, what should Lena have to become other than teacher and doctor? So here I wrote lawyer or artist because Lena can also become a lawyer or an artist. If she becomes lawyer, then she can help poor people to fight their cases. So this is how she can help to society, and Lena also like painting, so she can also be an artist. Next is Lena, like Lena, what do you want to become? Here you can write your own answer. I wrote doctor. Like Lena, I want to become a doctor because a doctor treats ill persons and make them healthy. And this way doctor serves the society and patients feel that the doctor is even greater than the God. So that's why I want to become I would like to become a doctor. Next is what do your friends want to become? So it may be different for you. I had wrote engineer and teacher. One of my friend want to become engineer, one of my friend want to become a teacher. You can write your own answer. Next is now how can you help them? Now how can you help your friends? So here I wrote by giving the information about the services or about the different services or different professions in which they want to go. I will obtain the information about the services in which my friends want to go, and I will provide it to them, and I will also explain them the advantages of the services they have chosen. I will always inspire them to reach their goal. So this is how you can help your friends. Here I had written only one sentence by giving the information about the services. Now on the next page number 49, you have to again color or fill in the colors in circle of the professionals of your liking or the profession which you like. So here some professions are given to you which we have already seen earlier: the soldier, policewoman, air hostess, doctor, then after mechanic, postman, nurse and painter. You have to color the circle of your liking professional. And then after next one is write. Here some of the tools which are used by the different professionals are given to you. So from this tool or the picture of this tool, you have to write the name of that professional and how they are using these tools. You also have to write. Here one it is given to you. First one given to you is stethoscope. Stethoscope, it is used by the doctor. So name of the professional is doctor. How doctor use this stethoscope? So they does the treatment. Doctor does the treatment, and in which he is using this stethoscope. Like that we have to complete this for the rest of the tools. So now let me check the answer. So here in the first, you can see that I had color in the soldier, Then after postman and nurse. You can color of your liking professional. I had color in these circles. And you can also take the color of your choice. Next in the tables, the first one we had seen already, that is doctor, and he used this stethoscope in his treatment. Next after you can see that one bag is there and envelope is there, or post you can say is there. So this is used by the postman. And what postman do? So he delivers the post. Then after next you can see handcuffs are there. This is known as the handcuffs. So handcuffs are there and it is used by the policeman. And he used this to arrest the criminals. Next then after is, you can see the book is there, duster and chalk is there, and table and chair is there. So these tools are used by the teacher. So here teacher is there, and how she or he is using these tools. So teacher teaches in this school to these students. Next broom is there. So it is used by the sweepers, and how they are using it. So sweeper sweeps the roads, or they cleans the road. Next you can see the wrench is there. It is used by the mechanic, and how he is using, so he repairs the vehicles. So these are the different tools and the name of the different professionals who are using these tools and how they are using this. Now on the next page, page number 50, one puzzle is given to you. In the first five pictures, the professionals are, or the picture of the professionals are given to you. That is, first one is for soldier, second one is there, teacher is there, next is sweeper is there, then after nurse is there, and last doctor is there. We have to, and below this profession, the different signs are given to you: triangle, square, rectangle, circle, plus, like that. So here and below that, 5 different pictures of the tools which are used by these professionals are given to you. That is broom, then after tray in which the medicines, syringes, scissors are there. Next is stethoscope is there, handcuffs are there, and book, chalk and duster is there. So we have to draw the pattern, or we have to solve this puzzle, or you can say we have to match the professional and their tool. So the first one, below the soldier, triangle is there, or you can say police, the triangle is there. So he uses handcuffs. So above the handcuff, the triangle is drawn. One example is given to you. We have to solve according to this. Next, then after teacher is there, and below that plus sign is given to you. So the tool which is used by the teacher, above that tool we have to make the plus sign. So here you can see that above chalk, duster and book, the plus sign is there. That means these tools are used by the teacher. Next, below the sweeper, circle is there. So the sweeper uses broom. So above the broom you have to make the circle. Then after next, nurse is there, and below the nurse, rectangle is there. So the tools used by this nurse is this one, tray, in which the syringe, then after bandage, scissor and medicines are there. So above that we have to make the rectangle. And at last doctor is there, and below the doctor hexagon is made. So the tool used by the doctor is stethoscope. So above this stethoscope we have to make the hexagon. So it is there. So this is how you have to solve this puzzle. Then after next one table is given to you, observation, in which you have to write the different name of professionals, the tools used by them and how it is useful, how they are useful to us. These professionals are useful to us, that you have to write in this column. So here the first one is teacher. So the tools used by the teacher are chalk, duster and book. And how teacher is helpful to us? So teacher teaches students in this school. Next one is doctor. So the tools used by the doctor is stethoscope and injection. How doctor is useful to us, or how his doctor helping us? So doctor examines patient and give proper treatment. Next is driver. So the tool used by the driver is bus or other, it may be other different vehicles. How this driver helping us? So they takes us from one place to another place. Next one is conductor. So the conductor has, if you had noticed, it has ticketing machine. He has one machine which is known as the ticketing machine, and by which he issues ticket to travel in the bus. And by that ticket we can travel in the bus and we can go from one place to another place. Last one is postman. He has post and he delivers post at all the houses. He deliver all the posts at different location, even different areas. So these are the different names of the professionals, tools used by them, and how they are serving or how they are helping to the society. So in this chapter we had seen different professionals, how they are helping us, or what they are using to help us, or what tools they are using to help the society. In the next video we will solve, or we will see some extra exercise for this chapter. Thank you.